Okay, if we have f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 5, we need to set up an x, y table since this has a negative 5, I'm going to start at some number. Where do you want to start at? And do them consecutively.
0.2, negative 0.2. I just use whole numbers.
On the absolute value, I would probably use whole numbers. Step functions, you have to use decimals. Okay, so we're going to start at negative 5. What's a negative 5 minus 5? What's the absolute value of negative 10? Okay, go to negative 4. What's a negative 4 minus 5? Absolute value? Negative 3. Negative 2. Negative 7, which is positive 7. Negative 1. 6. 0. 2. 2 minus 5, which would be a positive 3. 3.
Negative 2.
4. Negative 1, which is a 1. 5. 6. Negative 1? No. 6 minus 5 is 1, and the absolute value of 1 is 1. Okay. 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. One of the things about it is you have to keep putting in enough numbers, I don't care how many thousands that it may take, to where you start getting repeats in your y values. You see that these two repeat? Okay? Let's put in an 8. 8 minus 5 is, absolute value of that is 3. Okay? So we got a lot of numbers, right? Now we're going to graph them. Okay, this is my x, this is my y, right? First point, negative 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 10. So it would be approximately up here. Negative 4, positive 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 3 and 8. Negative 2 and 7, negative 1 and 6, 0 and 5. So far so good? 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 4 and 1, 5 and 0, 6 and 1, 7 and 2, 8 and 3. Doing a rough graph, I'd say I have my V. So W, yep, forms a V. Any questions?
So then for the domain range.
Okay, domain. For the domain, it has to deal with x values. Would this x value continue to go out to the left? Will it continue to go out to the right? So it's all real numbers. The range. First thing I'd look for is the smallest or the largest y value.
Will just be 0. Y is greater than 0.
So in this case, the smallest y value here, isn't it? That's the farthest it comes down on the graph. So everything else was above that on the y-axis. This one is included, so it has to have the equal to sign with it. So it would be y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay?